Welcome to our aerospace facility. Today, I'll show you exactly how rockets are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
These titanium crates are good to go. The documentation matches the QR scan.
Agreed. Let's send them to the assembly bay.
As the resin thickens, it is crucial that the mixture remains stable and develops the necessary heat resistance.
Every component is crafted for extreme conditions and flawless performance. Every rocket undergoes strict testing before it can reach the launch pad.
And that's how rockets are made, hortense, from raw materials to liftoff-ready engineering.